precision, 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 precision. And that is how you break down the word precision and learn to pronounce it as a full word. So what you do is you take precision, precision. If you don't understand how to pronounce one part, you take that part out, like siege, 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 and you practice until you believe that it sounds like the way I am pronouncing it. And just remember, I'm using the Australian accent, but my accent can be understood in the UK, in the USA, and other places where people are familiar with English. So thank you very much and have an awesome English learning process.